What is hotel management software? Hotel management software provides the essential administrative and organizational functionality required to effectively operate hotels, resorts, and other businesses that offer lodging, with capabilities including reservation management, property and maintenance operations, and financial oversight. Common features of hotel management software include reservation tools that streamline the booking process by allowing guests to make online reservations, facilitating room scheduling, and identifying vacancies and availability. Front desk and housekeeping management tools organize the process of guest check-ins and check-outs, scheduling wake-up calls, and tracking the progress of housekeeping staff. Customer relationship management functionality helps support customer loyalty and retention programs by monitoring a guest's reservation history and participation in loyalty programs to inform and optimize sales and marketing communications. Maintenance management handles scheduled and ad hoc service requests by tracking work orders, scheduling preventative maintenance, and communicating with maintenance staff. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.